Hello, this is Adam Perry, Mr. Perry on Twitter, and I'm going to be showing a demonstration between the 24p conversion in Compressor versus the 24p compression in Shake for the Canon 5D Mark II. So you can see here I have two different versions of the little thing that I shot the other day of my friend's son. It's not my son, so if you're going to make fun of me, don't do it on this one. So what I did was I rendered it out in 30p and then I compressed it using Philip Bloom's video tutorial in Compressor for this one here on the left. I think that was taken from Denver's version on Cinema 5D. This one over here on the right was done in Shake. This is also outlined in Cinema 5D, how to do it. So I'm not really going to go into how it's actually done. You can find plenty of things about that elsewhere. Basically what I want to do is show the two different versions and how they differ and which one I think is better. So we'll start with the compressor one. Typically most of the shots turn out alright. It's usually a couple things with fast motion produces a lot of artifacts. So here's one shot in compressor, and I'm gonna go through it step by step. And if you take a look at his hand in this shot here, you can see that as it goes up, you can start seeing a couple of artifacts in the motion, specifically down here on this hand. And then as he raises it and waves down, you can see some ghosting here. So let's look at the Shake version of that same shot. You can see that there's minimal ghosting. We'll go frame by frame. It seems to create a better, there's a little bit right here, but it seems to blur it a little bit more. And it's just overall less pronounced, a little bit there as well. The shot that I really think shows this off, and let me put them side by side. I'm not sure how difficult this will be to see in Vimeo, but we go a little bit further in the video. Right here, right at 1:17, when she's bringing the spoon. Let me make these bigger, and we'll go step by step. I think this is the one that illustrates it the best. The spoon's off the screen right now, and you can see that the spoon has a lot of ghosting effects, a lot of double frames, and also in his hand over here. And as it gets closer, it just keeps ghosting. It's having problems with that fast motion. And then finally, blast off. Alright, so in this one here, take a look at that same shot. You can see the spoons coming in, just overall a lot less ghosting. It seems like it's creating a lot more separate, unique frames. You can see it also here on the hand. But if we compare shot by shot about where that hand is, you go backwards. It's kind of weird looking at it like this. Now you can just see the comparison of the ghosting versus this one here. So overall, I think that the Shake version produces a lot better results. It does take about twice as long, I found. So you have to weigh that. The compressor one is good in a pinch, but I think if it's a quality material, just cycle through this a couple more times. If it's a quality work, I think you'd want to probably do it in Shake, and or do it in compressor first and then redo it in Shake. But I mean, just look at that. Very, very different results. One more time with the Shake. Alright. Well, if you have any questions, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.